valuable life is for health.
Yes.
How valuable health is for you as an individual? How important is very important?
It's very important. If you do not feel good, then you can't work, you can't do anything. So health is very important. So you have to take care of yourself by eating right, exercise, think positive, smile a lot. So it's very important. It's the most important thing.
Claudia is related to weight loss.
Yeah. So nice.
So do you think when a person loses his or her weight, the personality improves as well?
I won't talk about myself because during my pregnancy I gained a lot of weight, like lots of weight, but that was a happy weight. So now I've lost most of it and I feel really good because I want to look good and I want to feel like good about my body is slim, and also it's very important for me. But yeah, it's great that she has done this book.
Talking about Claudia, how long have you been knowing Claudia and how as a person, as an individual?
I know her a couple of years. We met during one show, actually a couple of years. Touch. So yeah, she's a very nice girl, hardworking, and I'm really proud of her that she has created this book.
She has been part of one of the most popular dance numbers.
Yes. Actually, we also performed together once. I think Big Star Awards 2012. I think so. Yeah, we did once. We performed once together.
So what you have to, if you in the future have to write something about health or something, what will be the subject you will be writing about? Because many are turning authors as well. Like Twinkle Khanna is writing, for the humor book kind of thing. She is writing for health. What will be the subject you will be writing?
My subject will be think positive, smile a lot, and eat healthy food.
Lastly, what's going on the professional front? Engage somewhere?
Yes, well, something is actually going to happen very soon. I've signed one promotional song, so can't right now tell you exactly about it. I think I will meet you next week and I'll tell you.
देखो आपसे क्लॉडिया की जो ये वेट लॉस पे है, जब आप इंडस्ट्री में आए थे तो आपने भी अपने मतलब पर्सनैलिटी को ग्रूम करने के लिए वेट लॉस या कुछ ऐसा किया था?
बिल्कुल, मेरे ख्याल से कीप ईटिंग एंड कीप लूजिंग वेट। जब आप ज़्यादा खाते रहिए, ज़्यादा मील्स खाते रहिए, मतलब छोटे मील्स होते हैं, कभी भी दबा के खाना मत खाइए। जो ज़्यादा खाते हैं हम कि एक रोटी और खा सकता हूँ और वहीं वो एक रोटी फैट में टर्न होती है। तो मैं ज़रूर वर्कआउट तो नहीं करता हूँ, मैं खाने में ज़रूर सुबह नाश्ते से लेके बैलेंस डाइट करता हूँ, ज़्यादा ऑयली नहीं खाता हूँ, घी ज़रूर खाता हूँ, मक्खन खाता हूँ प्योर जो वाइट घर का होता है। बट मेरे ख्याल से अगर आप 4 से 5 मील दिन में खाएंगे तो एक साथ ज़्यादा नहीं खा पाओगे, और ज़्यादा नहीं खाओगे तो वेट पुट ऑन नहीं होगा आपका।
शेड्यूल में हेल्थ को मेंटेन करने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए?
भाई देखिए, कोई कितना भी बिजी हो, अगर आपको खाने के लिए समय नहीं तो आप 2 वक्त की रोटी या 4 वक्त की रोटी कमाने के लिए खाते हो। अगर वो समय नहीं निकाल रहे तो गलती आप में है। समय सबके पास उतना ही होता है और उस समय को सिर्फ ऑर्गेनाइज करना चाहिए। और अगर आप जिम नहीं करते, कम से कम खाने के टाइम, कई लोग बहुत भूखे रहते हैं दिन भर और फिर रात को ज़्यादा एकदम बिरयानी दबा के खाते हैं, वहीं सारी गड़बड़ शुरू होती है। मेरे ख्याल से दिन भर में मील कि कई लोग मैं देखता हूँ इंडस्ट्री में काम कर रहे हैं, मैंने तो अपना लंच टाइम मिस कर दिया, अभी शाम को चाय पी रहा हूँ। मील टाइमिंग मिस मत कीजिए, आप उसी टाइम पे खाइए, भूख हो ना हो आप फिक्स टाइम पे खाओगे तो बॉडी भी फिक्स रहेगी।
क्लॉडिया के बारे में पूछना, कब से जानते हैं क्लॉडिया को, क्या कहते हैं?
क्लॉडिया को मैं ज़रूर बहुत सालों से जानता हूँ और अच्छी दोस्त है। मैं बहुत खुश हुआ जब मुझे पता चला उनकी बुक का विमोचन हो रहा है यहाँ, और इसलिए मैं, और क्लॉडिया खुद फिटनेस देखिए, आप उसकी खुद की फिटनेस देख के पता चलता है कि ज़रूर वो ज़्यादा खाती है, फिट रहती होगी मेरे ख्याल से, तो एकदम शी इज़ परफेक्ट फॉर दिस टाइटल।
आप में कुछ हिडन टैलेंट जो लोगों को नहीं पता, जो बताना चाहेंगे? ऑथर बनने की कोई ख्वाहिश है या कुछ और करने की ख्वाहिश है?
मैं किताब तो कभी लिखूंगा, मगर वो मेरे ख्याल से मैं कोई हेल्थ पे नहीं लिखूंगा, अपनी ज़िंदगी पे लिखूंगा, मगर वो कभी और तभी हो। तो हिडन टैलेंट तो सारे दिखा दिए रियलिटी शोज़ में।
लास्टली ये पूछना, वो राधा खान को जानते हैं, आज कल हो गया, मतलब हार्ट अटैक से, क्या कहना चाहिए उसके बारे में?
नहीं, मुझे बहुत दुख हुआ, वो आज सुना था और मुझे दोपहर तक कंफर्म नहीं था, बाद में कंफर्मेशन हुई। उनके साथ मैंने कॉमेडी नाइट्स की कपिल में काम भी किया था और बहुत ही एक उम्दा कलाकार थे। इतनी सारी फिल्में बचपन से देखते हैं, उनके साथ काम करने का मुझे मौका भी मिला और बहुत अच्छे इंसान थे और ये बताते ज़िंदगी कितनी छोटी है और उन्होंने लोगों को मुस्कुराया, हंसाया और लोगों को हंसाते रहिए। गम के तो बहुत मोमेंट्स होते हैं, लोगों को रुलाना आसान है मगर हंसाना मुश्किल है और उन्होंने वो अच्छा काम किया था। चल रहे पिक्चर फिल्म प्रोजेक्ट चल रहे, टेलीविजन प्रोजेक्ट चल रहे, जब सही समय बताऊंगा। थैंक यू।
From acting to being an author, what really inspired you to write?
Well, obviously my journey of being a model and an actress, you know, it has been very important for me to take care of my body, take care of myself. So I had to make sure that my skin is glowing, my hair is in perfect condition, that I myself look healthy and I feel healthy. That was the most important thing. So, you know, I was continuously passionate about taking care of myself. So this journey is kind of that passion I took over, and then I have become certified nutrition myself, and hence with the support of my friends Alan and Neeta, who has like planted the seed of writing this book inside my head. I started writing this book and today we are launching it thanks to Om Books International.
So in general, what is your diet as such to maintain your figure, to maintain your beauty? What kind of diet do you do?
I am following a wholesome, balanced diet, which means that I am eating regularly, small meals. Basically, I'm having 6 meals, be it breakfast, lunch, and dinners on the very regular timing as well. And in between, I'm snacking, basically, be it fruits, be it nuts, be it hummus with pita bread, be it some carrot sticks, or anything else what is available at a particular time. So you can. The good thing about the diet is you can, even if you have hectic schedule, as even you as a journalist, you are running around the places, you can still carry certain foods and have that as a snack, which will take you just 1 minute to just grab it, and you know, it will benefits you a lot. At the same time, I'm also 5 days in a week I'm exercising very regularly. Again, we are all human and we got all bored with certain things, but you know, you can go to the gym, you can do some jogging, you can do swimming, you can do horse riding, you can do yoga, pilates. You have so many varieties of that. So choose whatever you like, you are comfortable with, and practice it at least 5 days, 45 minutes in a day. It will be good for you.
Claudia, it's a big moment for you. You know, many people from the industry know you. So who are the people who got it for this event as such?
Well, Sonakshi Sinha has written the forward for me, but because she's shooting, she couldn't be here today. But my special chief guest today is Sunil Shetty, who is coming here to unveil the cover. To unveil the cover and saying few words, because I believe Sunil Shetty is one personality who is not only the hero for each and every one of us, but he's also the fitness inspiration for many, for I think the entire nation. So he's the best choice which I could think about to launch my book. So I'm very, very happy he's coming today.
Claudia, you began your identity with the Padma song. Akshay is in the film. Did you know Akshay Kumar? What is it?
I think you are very much aware he's busy promoting his own movie with releasing also. Yes, he wished me all the very best, and he's always a well-wisher of mine. But as he's also busy promoting his own stuff, so he couldn't be here today. But
lastly, talking about a professional front, what's in the project pipeline as such in the future?
There are a couple of narration we have done, so soon we will announce. But that's the production house's job rather than the artist itself to announce certain things. Thank you so much.
With our official launch.
Thank you so much. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Wow. I feel very honored today. I feel very honored to launch my first book, Keep Eating, Keep Losing, together with my publisher, Om Books International. Thank you, Ajay. Well, this book has been a manifestation of my own story, my passion for healthy food, and my desire to encourage each and every one of you to just give a bit more importance to your body. You know, guys, Warren Buffett once said, you have only one mind and one body. And the same words you will have to use once you are 20, 40, 60, 80, and if you are lucky, 100 also. So, take care of your body and maximize the potential. But I'm sure you will agree to me, and it's very often it happens that, we will give all the importance to our phone rather than to our body. However, I believe that if you give importance and if you invest in your health, it's as beneficial as if you are investing in education. Because without either of them, nothing can be done. So I have written Keep Eating, Keep Losing in order to assist people to reorganize their life and make healthy eating a part of your daily routine without struggle, no worry, without putting any special efforts. So my book is basically based on 3 components, which is healthy eating, exercise and rest, which I believe are very intimately connected together. You know, guys, it is like marriage. You can't cheat and expect it to work, right? So likewise, you have to give importance to your diet, activity and a proper rest simultaneously. Otherwise, what will happen? Yeah, your body will divorce you one day. Well, if you ask me to describe my book, just in one sentence, I would say, Keep Eating, Keep Losing is like a map, which you need once you get lost in a maze. And to be more specific, many people will get right now, nowadays, confused with all the information overload which is happening, so many myths, so many tips, so many theories. You just really don't know what to believe and you're confused what to follow. So in order to make your life a bit more simple, I have written the book to show you what benefits healthy eating will give you, so you can follow it very, very easily. Alright, I think before lecture, then a launch book speech, I should stop here and thank few people as I feel such support and encouragement I received. I think I feel very, very blessed because all of you lovely people who are here today has stood by me and believed in me throughout the journey. So the list is a bit of long, so please bear with me. Well, firstly, I would like to thank RJ Mago and All Books International for believing in me and my message. Thank you so much for giving Keep Eating, Keep Losing the daylight and giving me a beautiful platform to share my thoughts. Thank you so much, Ajay. Without you, my dreams would never come true. Thank you. A very special thanks to my chief guest, Sunil Shetty, for taking his precious time out, and I know how busy schedule you have, so still you have come here to launch my book. Thank you so much. You're not only the hero for all of us, but the fitness inspiration for many. And I would like to really thank you for the support you gave me, and for giving my book the possibility to reach all the audience, which is nice. Thank you. Also a special thanks to Sonakshi Sinha, who has written the foreword for my book. Thank you so much, Sona, for believing in me, for loving the concept and recommending it to the world. She couldn't be here today, but the first book is already with her. Thank you so much. Well, a moment of honesty. I could... Anand and Neeta, where are you? Anand, Neeta, love you guys. One of them, they have planted the seed of writing this book inside my head. And without both of you guys, this journey would have never started. So thank you so much for supporting me and encouraging me throughout this journey. And I must say just one thing, Keep Eating, Keep Losing is as much yours as it is mine, guys. Love you so much. Thanks. Well, thank you so much to Rahul, the owner of Uncensored, for actually giving my book the UI certificate and actually for hosting us today. Thank you so much for the lovely hospitality, Rahul. I would like to thank all my special guests, be it Ellie, who I think is still on the way, but she came to support, be it Rohit, be it Priyanka, be it Garima, be it all my lovely friends, Mihir, Sunita, I mean, oh God, I don't want to miss anyone. Mariam, yes, my lovely girl, thank you so much for coming here supporting me. A big thank to my PR people. Namit Tatas, I love you guys, you have done a great job. Thank you so much for Yuvraj Entertainment Private Limited, who has coordinated, and thank you so much for support. Thank you to Yoshita, who has dressed me up and made me look so pretty, some modesty. Thank you to Tanaya, hairstylist, who is at the same time the biggest foodie I know. Where are you, Tanaya? Yeah, that's the foodie. I am coming to that. Yes, I should not forget to thank my parents, who are my best friends, my everything, who has allowed me to spread my wings and do whatever I want to do in life. Thank you, Mom, Dad, for supporting me throughout my life. Love you so much, and you're really, really missed today. I just wish you could have been here. Ooh, and to all those lovely people who might have missed out. Yeah, thank you so much. He's doing a great job. And for all rest of the lovely people who might have missed out, thank you so much for all the support. Raja, Chandray, guys, yeah, unveiling the cover. Can we have the cover here to unveil it officially and obviously speak few words?
Dada, still.
Namita, where is the big one?
Namita ko bhi
अभी काम करना था मस्ती मत करना
दादा ऊपर ले लो
Well, indeed, that time we've all been waiting. Keep eating, keep losing. Ladies and gentlemen, inaugurated by the one and only Sunil Shetty, written by Claudia Siliesla. Home Books International.
अरे बोलो ना मोबाइल ऐसा मैडम आप बाहर जाएंगे आप ही लोग कर लो हम लोग चले जाते
वेरी गुड कोई नहीं मारेगा
पूरा नहीं बोले क्या कर लो
Thank you.
Yeah, of course. First of all, a very, very good evening to everybody. And Claudia, I think it's a very, very special day for her. She's someone, even when we used to shoot, when we shot for Honor, and every time she spoke about food, she spoke about health, which is outstanding. It's something that I very, very strongly believed in. And, I think there can't be a better book than Keep Eating, Keep Losing, because that's exactly what we all want to do. We're fed up of dietitians telling us how to eat, what to eat. I believe in this book more so because you've seen Claudia all through her career. This little girl who came from Europe and then settled in India, made it her home, and has been accepted by the people. That says a lot itself, and has remained fit through her life. So when an author of the book is as fit as she's trying to, what she's trying to promote, I think it works brilliantly. Eating is basically, I follow my personal example of being at the age I am, and I strongly believe that 70% of your training is food. It's what we eat that makes the difference. First of all, 70% is basically about us mentally preparing ourselves to believe that yes, we can get fit, and all of us have been God gifted with good bodies. It's only that we don't work towards it. 70% of that, like I said, is mind. Out of that 30%, 70% is food, and then is the kind of training that we do. So I believe this book is a book that will help you all, and congratulations. I'm sure it'll reach every home. Someone who believes in good health it's very simple. Someone who believes in good health is someone who gets up in the morning, opens the window and says, "Good morning, God." And someone who's not into fitness stretches, wakes up, opens that window and says, "Good God, it's morning." That's the difference. It's a very simple line. So it's up to you what mood you get up with. If you believe and get up in that mood, this book will work for you, and everything that you do will work for you. So thank you for having me here, and all the best. God bless. Make sure you sell a zillion books. Yeah. Thank you.
Well, thank you.
कैमरा वापस दे मित्रा चलो पीछे तो नहीं होएगा चलो पीछे
I think what better option? Keep eating, keep losing. I think it's a fantastic thing. Everybody loves to eat. I think it's how we eat and what we eat that makes the difference. Something that looks good from an author's perspective, and I'm sure it'll work. So,
what is your fitness mantra?
Early to bed, early to rise. No, other than that, breakfast like a king, lunch like a prince, dinner like a pauper. I make sure it's basic math. 2 + 2 makes 4, and the calories that you burn are the general calories that you want to eat. So if you know your portions of food right, I don't think it's a major problem. And of course, you at least need to put half an hour for workout. It could be anything. It doesn't have to be necessarily the gym. It could be a walk, it could be skip, it could be a swim, it could be a sport, it could be yoga, but something that you need to do to make sure that you burn those calories.
Guys, the book is also on sale here at the venue. The author should not have any copies left here. Please buy all the books. It's very important for an author.
Of course, हमारे हमेशा आइडल रहे, whether it was Burt Reynolds or whether it was Arnold Schwarzenegger. अगर वेट ट्रेनिंग की पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखे तो हमेशा मुझे इंस्पायर किए आर्नल्ड श्वार्ज़नेगर ने. अगर आप मार्शल आर्ट्स और आउटडोर ट्रेनिंग की बात करें तो ब्रूस ली ने इंस्पायर किया व्हेन आई वाज ग्रोइंग अप. अगर स्पोर्ट में कोई था तो क्रिकेट में अगर कोई था तो इट वाज विविन रिचर्ड्स. आई एम सेइंग फ्रॉम अ फिटनेस पर्सपेक्टिव, विविन रिचर्ड्स के फोर आर्म्स थे, उनकी बॉडी लैंग्वेज जो थी. सो आई थिंक अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैव इंस्पायर्ड मी व्हाइल आई थिंक ओवरऑल वेलनेस में बोलता हूँ. बाइसेप से ऑफ कोर्स शुरू हुई थी. एक ज़माना था जब बिग वॉज इन, उसके बाद स्लिम होना फिट था. आज अगर आप फंक्शनल ट्रेनिंग करते हो, बाहर ट्रेनिंग करते हो और कोई स्पोर्ट खेलते हो, आई थिंक उसे फिटनेस कहा जाता है. सो इट्स मोर अबाउट वेलनेस देन फिटनेस एंड जस्ट बाइसेप्स.
रज़ा खान का इंतकाल हुआ हार्ट अटैक से, क्या कहना चाहिए इस बारे में?
वेरी वेरी सैड. आई थिंक एक बहुत ही अच्छे इंसान, extraordinary human being कहूँगा, और उतने ही बढ़िया एक्टर. when it came to comedy or anything, I think Razak Bhai was outstanding. May God bless his soul, and condolences to the family. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
तसिंदर है वो।
कहाँ देखना है? Well, I would like to say that I'm very proud of her and I'm very, very happy for her. I was really glad when she sent me this. So really, amazing. I'm really happy for Claudia, and we are here to support the book launch.
Andy, would you like to add something?
I think we've come for Claudia. Claudia is an amazing nutritionist. I don't think a lot of people know that she actually is an amazing nutritionist. Working with her, she would always help us with on a movie that I worked with her just recently. She was always like, eat this, don't about, which is really important. That's why we had to come and support the cause, and I think if it's a book she's written and you guys follow what she's saying, you're all going to look fabulous just like her, and also like Ellie. And
what do you like most, as an exercise or balanced diet?
So what do I what?
What do you like most, balanced diet or exercise?
What is your fitness mantra?
Well, it's all about combining the both, So you have to combine your exercise with your diet, what you are eating.
I think Sultan Taylor is out, songs are also out. Do you like the Taylor in the songs?
Yes, I love it.
She actually, one second, I was with her and she was watching the trailer and losing it. And then she tweeted it, she was like, I love this, I love this, I love
and
this.
he was actually trying to have a conversation with me, and I was like,
listen to me. And she's like, no,
shut up.
Sultan trailer is on. Nothing else, just Sultan trailer. It was amazing. No, but it's really good. I think the film's going to be epic.
Yeah.
It's going to be epic.
Yeah.
One more thing I want to say about fitness is that I recently lost my fitness goals, and now I'm going back on it. I'm actually doing a Fat to Fit story, so I'm going to make sure that I consult Claudia on it and make sure that I also become rippling six packs for my next show. No, I said that.
Thank you.
How much fun?